Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is your SST lesson of level 4. Today we are going to start chapter 17, which is Florence Nightingale. This is the name of a girl who introduced nursing in the world. Now let's start the reading. In previous lesson you have learnt about many personalities, men who had done remarkable work making themselves famous in the world. In this lesson we are going to tell you about a lady who for the very first time informed the world that women are capable to stand up against all odds and serve the humanity. It all started in 19th century when Britain and Russia were at war, which caused injuries to many soldiers who were helpless as no one was there to take care of them. The wounded soldiers' main threat was infection, which was caused due to unattended wounds, which in the end either resulted in cutting off that organ. ब्रिटेन मीन बरतानिया, रशिया मीन रूस। 19th सेंचुरी में जब ब्रिटेन और रशिया में वार थी तो बहुत ज़्यादा सोल्जर्स जख्मी हो गए थे। उनको लुक आफ्टर करने के लिए कोई भी मौजूद ना था। लेटर these soldiers were informed that someone is coming to take care of them. They became happy and hopeful that now they will be looked after as well. The person who arrived at battlefield was a woman. Although it was quite unnatural during that time, but the soldiers were with the view that their fate might be saved. The name of that savior was Florence Nightingale, who came with 38 other nurses. बाद में सोल्जर्स को इन्फॉर्म किया गया कि एक वुमेन उनको लुक आफ्टर करने के लिए आएंगी एंड दैट वुमेन वाज फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल who came with 38 other nurses. As soon as she came, she set out to work. At first, she kept all the wounded soldiers in one barrack. Barrack means a place or a single bed where wounded soldiers can take rest, who were soon transferred in a hospital. The cleanliness of those barracks was done with special care. Florence Nightingale attended the wounded soldiers herself. She took extra care of their health. She used to take lamp in the hand and individually went to each sick or wounded soldier at night to see if they were asleep peacefully, whether anyone might need her to pacify their pain, etc. The soldiers started calling her Lady with the Lamp. Her hard work and dedication made her respectable and honored by all. फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल ने बैरक में वुंडेड सोल्जर्स का बहुत ख्याल रखा, जो कि बाद में हॉस्पिटल में ट्रांसफ़र हो गया। वो रात को लैंप अपने हाथ में लेकर सबको इंडिविजुअली चेक करती थी कि कोई जाग तो नहीं रहा, किसी को पेन तो नहीं है। Even soldiers started calling her Lady with the Lamp. After that, her hard work and dedication made her respectable and honored by all. Reading of page number 64, we have completed. You have to learn it by heart.